Well, here we are in San Francisco.
Visiting Regis Durbin, who you have seen multiple times in multiple videos, probably.
Yep.
Wedding video. He gave me a haircut for the wedding. Maybe we got video of that.
I was gonna say it was a surprise guest, but you already gave away the surprise guest.
Dude.
Now it's not a surprise, it's just a guest. Found him! Woo! Yeah, now run and hug, you know, like a movie. Regis's balcony. This is pretty cool, right? Don't fall off the roof. Very cool.
This is cool, huh?
It's really cool. It's my favorite part of the apartment. So the gang's going out to dinner. We're gonna get some Italian food.
Some pasta time.
Bryce is 99% Italian, actually.
No, I'm not.
No.
Like 36%.
It's mostly Scottish.
So that's cool.
Regis is a little bit Italian though, and I am. Well, today's National Ice Cream Day, so we had to celebrate big time. We went to Over the Moon Creamery.
I forgot what it was called.
Regis got chocolate. Good call.
I got Cookie Monster, cookies and cream, and cookie dough.
Some might say you're cuckoo for cookies. I got honey lavender and Earl Grey, which is really good. Definitely I made the best choice of the group. So we just came across our first wildlife here in San Francisco. He doesn't look so good. Not sure he's gonna pull through. But in brighter news, it's Monday after work, and we are gonna go on an adventure. And obviously that adventure entails a picnic because I had a say in what we were doing. It's gonna be loads of fun. So we're having our picnic. We got Greek food. We are at the Park of the Fine Arts.
Some fine art.
Some fine art park. And it's really nice. It's a beautiful day, of course, in San Francisco. A beautiful day in the San Francisco Bay Area.
Wow, look at you.
Well, we're still here in San Francisco. We're still thriving. And we're going to meet up with another special guest. Yeah. This is our special guest, my cousin, Jimmy. We're getting sushi, Bryce's fave. Now we're at Jimmy's apartment. Woo!
Don't mind the mess.
Well, it's Friday. Bryce is working from Regis's apartment, but I have a little break in the day, and there's a donut shop nearby. So I'm gonna go get myself a donut. Well, the birds like the donuts. We went with strawberry Earl Grey. I think it's gonna be pretty good. All right, time to review the donut. My hair is looking really crazy today. Dun, 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 dun. Strawberry Earl Grey. That's really good. Dynamo Donuts it was called, I think. We're going on another adventure. Yeah, Regis is going on his own adventure. But we are walking to Fort Mason to try and catch the sunset. We're cutting it a little close because the sun is getting setty.
We're ripping it though.
We're gonna try.
We're gonna die.
Everyone's informed me that we're not gonna die if we don't make it. We'll be okay. Debatable. Still up for debate. We're almost to the top.
We're getting there. Well, we made a stop at Vista Point. It's Saturday morning.
Yes.
Take a picture of me and the bird.
Regis wants you to take a picture of him with the bird.
Right now we're getting ready on video with the bird.
Oh, he's over there.
Not a bad view though, huh? We got the bridge and the city and the bay.
Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow.
We're making cinnamon rolls. We're making coffee. We're getting after it. How's San Fran, Katie?
It's awesome. It's a little chilly.
Very chilly. All right, let's hit it. Hiking.
Well, we made it up to the Mount Tamalpais
We did not remember the name.
watershed. Bryce is making his PBJs. Way to hook it up, Bryce.
Thank you.
Change of plans. We were gonna do one trail, but we decided that there's a big lake that you can hike to instead, so we're gonna do that.
Yeah, it's 2.8 one way, so we'll do, or 5.6 total.
We got it.
It's ranked as difficult.
And there's also rattlesnakes and mountain lions. How much longer to the lake?
A mile and a half left.
Oh.
We've already gone
Easy
halfway there.
peasy.
Uh-oh. High Marsh Trail.
Oh,
So I think we go left.
1.2 that way.
There we go. Katie spotted a little snake.
I heard it and I was like,
I can't really, oh, there it is. There he goes. We made it to part of the lake. I think there's gonna be more, but really cool trees too. They're tall. Found a nice spot to sit here and eat a sandwich. We're going back up. It's pretty steep. Reg is making his way. Get after it, Reg.
Dude, there's a chance I just don't make it.
Back over the bridge. Ooh, fancy moves.
No cameras, please.
We're moving and grooving. I'd say we have about 1.82 to go.
wow.
Yeah, to guess. The incline's no joke.
Yeah, straight up, baby.
Yeah.
We're crushing it though. We're getting near the end of the hike. Almost back to the van. They're racing. If you ain't first, you're last, Reg.
Yes, dude, I was there. I was beating them. Then I ripped my hamstrings.
Oh. Everybody. It's our last day in San Francisco. And we're gonna make the most of it.
We're gonna go grab breakfast with Reg and Jimmy, and then kind of probably gonna call it, gather up our things.
We just grabbed breakfast with our new friends. Say hi. spotted a bird.
Oh, that's a statue. That's not real.
That's real.
Dude, no, that's a statue.
I literally just watched him looking around.
Dude, it's a statue. They just put it up in a tree.
It's not a
Dude,
statue.
it hasn't moved at all.
I know what you're thinking. Where are Bryce and Katie going next?
Undecided.
Great question.
We know
don't
that we
know.
generally have to be in the Boise area in 2 weeks, which gives us this week to just go somewhere.
That we've never been.